Hello everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Uh, Sorry that I have not uploaded for a very long time. Like the last video I uploaded was a while ago, but I'm back. And I got some new and better equipments to make my videos better, and I think you will like it more, and I think I will like it more, so please stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like, maybe leave a comment down in the comment section. Before I start my video, I want to talk about what I'm going to do, what I'm going to upload to this channel. I'll be uploading helpful tutorials and tips on how to start programming or make your coding workflow better. I'm not really a professional programmer, but I could teach you, if you're new, some tips and tricks. So I will inform you about helpful courses and sites to help you start out, which is actually today's video. I'll also vlog about my life and, current events in my area, or, current events in general and my thoughts about them. I may actually make a second channel if it's like way off topic for my main channel, but please leave a like and subscribe if I make that kind of video too. So let's get right into the video. I guess you clicked on this video because you wanted to become a JavaScript programmer, to start out with JavaScript. That's how I started out, and there are a lot of sites that helped me out. So I would like to give you some information, some practical and some specific information about what to do, where to go, and what kind of things you should watch. So I have few aspects that I want you to think about when you do JavaScript. Is that, what do you want to do? Do you want to make a website? Do you want to do server? What do you want to do? Me, I do front end most of the time for now. So I do this thing called React, which is a JavaScript framework. But JavaScript isn't that useful. Well, it is, but you need to know how to do HTML and CSS because it's pretty much web-based. There are some server and back-end things that you could do with JavaScript, but these are pretty much ran with Java or Python. But today I would like to give you out some information on how to study JavaScript and what kind of courses you should get on Udemy. And Udemy, they sell their courses for like $200, but it shouldn't be that expensive because it's always on a sale, So I will actually show you some courses that will help you out a lot. So let's get right into the video. By the way, I live in Japan, so we could talk about anime and stuff too. And, I might do some live streams, so yeah, I might make a second channel about that or something. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So once you go to the Udemy website, you should go to categories and go to IT and software. So after you go to that, just type in JavaScript. And I'll actually give you some information on what you should look for. So the main thing you need to know is basic web development. So you're gonna want to do JavaScript web dev, and you click that, and you should find something. Angela Yu's web development course is pretty helpful. It was pretty helpful for me too. I tried this thing out. It was pretty awesome. I recommend this. But here's the thing. If you're going to do JavaScript, and if you're really going to do it, only knowing how to code isn't going to help you at all. You need to know the fundamentals, how data works. So for that reinforcement, I would go to JavaScript data structure. There's a data structure course, so this one by Eric T. Rob. I don't think I pronounced it right, but learning data structures in JavaScript from scratch. This will help you a lot. This will help you a lot when you're doing development. It's totally different after you do this. Your understanding on how to make things and what to do, it's just different. It's awesome. You gotta do this, and you should also do algorithms, JavaScript algorithm. Okay, so go to JavaScript algorithm from scratch. So what I would do is I would do this first. I would learn algorithms, then I would go to data structure. And this is expensive right now. It's $200 or so, but Just wait for it, or actually no, you could get honey. If you get honey, you can get it, no, not sponsored or anything, but if you get honey, you can actually get this course for cheap, like really cheap. So yeah, I would recommend you getting honey and start developing. Now, when it comes to frameworks, there are many frameworks, but if you want to get a job in a IT company, you're probably going to start with the front end before back end, because back end is pretty complicated and no one really does that the first time. Everybody probably starts from front end unless like they're really experienced or they learned it in college or something. But if you're going to be a self-taught engineer, you're probably going to start out with web dev, then work yourself up. So for web dev, you're pretty much going to be doing front end. So if you're going to do front end, I would go and get a React course. And I think React the Complete Guide by Mr. Maximilian. This course is really good because it does hooks, React routers, Redux. It's going to teach you how to make a website. This is really awesome because it's going to help you out a lot when you want to get a job in, that field. Web development front end field, and it's really awesome. Yeah, this is pretty much it. It was a short video, but I would like to upload more videos to help you guys out. I'm still working on myself to become a better programmer. I might do some live streams, so please join that too. I hope I could help you because I'm also a self-taught engineer. I'm working as an intern for now, but I'm trying to work myself up to become like a full-time sooner or later. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be uploading again. I'll see you. Bye.